Today I'm going to show you how to remove underline and change hyperlinks color in Outlook. If you regularly send professional emails with links, customizing how those links appear can help match your brand or simply make your messages look cleaner and more polished. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. This step ensures you have full access to all the composition and formatting tools that Outlook offers. Once your inbox is loaded and everything is ready, you can begin the customization process. To remove underline and change hyperlinks color in Outlook, you'll need to access your email tools. Do this by clicking on the New Email button located on the top left part of your screen. This opens up a fresh composition window where you can create and format your messages. This is where all the formatting magic happens. From the email composition screen, you'll first need a sample hyperlink before you can customize it and remove the underline along with changing the color. Simply type in a sample word and highlight it. Then right-click on it and a context menu will appear. From the context menu, click on Link. An Insert Hyperlink window will pop up. From here, simply add in the address by typing in a sample URL to turn your text into a hyperlink. Once you've entered the URL, click on OK. This creates the hyperlink we'll be modifying in the next steps. Once the hyperlink is created, it's time to remove the underline and change the color. Click on the Format Text tab located on the top part of your screen. This tab contains all the styling options you need. From here, look for the Styles section and click on the More Styles option, which is the small box at the lower right corner. A Styles menu will appear. Hover your cursor over Hyperlink, then click on the drop-down and select Modify. This is where you gain control over how all hyperlinks will appear in your email. A hyperlink modification window will appear. From here, to remove the underline, click on the U icon to toggle it off. Then you'll see a color picker drop down next to it. Click on it and select the color you wish to use for your hyperlinks. You'll see a preview on how your hyperlink will appear in your email in the middle of this window, which is helpful for making sure everything looks just right. Once done with the configuration, click on OK and you'll see the changes applied on the hyperlink text we created. Your link should now appear without the underline and in your chosen color. And that's it. You've successfully customized your hyperlinks in Outlook to match your style preferences. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.